How to fix there is no internet connection in Google Chrome or Windows 10. Here's the full list of fixes that would help you fix there is no internet connection in Google Chrome or Windows 10, router or ISP related issue. Method 1, restart your router or modem. Method 2, reset your router. Method 3, contact your ISP. Windows related issue. Method 1, enable automatically detect settings. Method 2, disable enhanced protected mode in IE11. Computer related issue. Method 1, check all cable connections and hardware switches. Method 2, run Windows Network Troubleshooter. Method 3, turn off antivirus. And firewall. Method 4, set automatic IP address. Method 5, up. Network drivers using the official download. Method 6, following commands as admin. Netshare winsock reset netshare int IP reset IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flushdns. Method 7, re-enable network card. Plan B, try uninstalling the network card. Remove the driver from network adapters under device manager. Restart your computer after the uninstallation is done. Reset your network. Method 8, reset TC. /IP using the NetHell utility at https://support.microsoft.com/n-us/help/29935/7/how-to-reset-tcp-ip-by using -netshell-utility. Method 9. Your system with the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide and see if your system has been infected with some virus/malware. Some other tips to fix can't connect to the internet issue: check/change all physical cables and ports, and router itself, of course. Check out multiple different websites. Check Wi-Fi network connection performance. Check if your buddy is using the same IP address.